Start. Start.
Good morning, everyone. Our project title is Agriculture Website. My team member is Nitin, Chouhan, our team leader, Rishita, Jaiswal, Ruchita, Kulkarni, and me. Next slide. So the overview of our project is abstraction, introduction, technology stack, comparison with existing solutions, DFD, and dataset database description, ER diagram, use case diagram, data analysis and visualization, results, and application solutions and references. Next slide. Okay. So basically, our project is a reselling website. It gives platform to a farmer to buy and sell their products on it, and it will assess them in many ways. For example, crop damage assessment. I mean, a farmer can upload the damaged crop in our website and get an instant feedback about what could be that disease possibly be, and weather alerts. Our website has an integrated weather API which gives an real-time weather updates to the farmer, and market prices updates. It provides farmers real-time market prices, that what is the current market prices going on in market, for example MSP, minimum support price. And next slide. Next slide.
I have changed slide.
Oh, sorry. Introduction. Okay. So India is a global powerhouse in terms of agriculture sector, and around 16% of the country's GDP alone comes from the agriculture sector. So we are capable enough of growing anything in our land. For example, we are the largest producer of cotton, spices, pulses, rice, and many more. So to doing that practices, we also faces many problems. So we thought we could make a website which has all these integrated problems and their solutions on it, so that it can assist our farmers. Yes. Next slide.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible. The technology we'll be using here is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the for front end, and React for the framework or the front end, and Bootstrap. MongoDB for the databases purposes, and Node.js, AWS, and machine learning for the backend purposes. Next slide.
Is it visible?
Now for the further explanation, I would call Ruchita for that. So Ruchita, take it over.
So now we will see next our overview, which is comparison with existing solutions. So earlier farmers used to rely on the traditional expert consultations for crop damage assessment or pest issues. The traditional experts used to say what to do in case of any emergency or any crop disease. Next is weather apps and news services. Farmers usually don't have access to weather apps because of internet connections and because of TVs. TVs are not available in local areas, rural areas, sorry. So farmers used to rely on the word of mouth from the peoples who used to arrive in their rural areas. Third is local market price informations. Farmers used to rely on local intermediaries and from the word of mouth to determine the current value of their crops. The fourth is manual data tracking. In some regions, farmers track their crops' performance, pest outbreaks, or weather events manually. But problem with this are very much. So we have decided to make such a website which will help the farmers to know the market prices. Our website will include an area where farmers will get the market price updates And weather API we will include in our website, which will help the farmers to get the SMS. And farmers can upload all their crop image which are damaged, so that experts can give them advice to take any good decision or action, so that their crops can be replaced with the good crops. Advantages of our solutions are that real-time crop damage assessments. Farmers can upload images of damaged crop and receive an instant and direct feedback and recommendations to improve their crop disease. And localized timely weather updates. Farmers will get an email or SMS of weather alerts, so that they can take an appropriate action in right time. Market price transparency. Farmers will get a real time accurate market updates for wide range of crops. Centralized easy to access platform. Unlike existing fragmented solutions, our platform combines crop damage advice, weather forecast, and market price in one place. SMS based communication for rural access. The platform SMS notification system ensures that farmers in remote and under connected areas receive timely alerts and updates, even if they don't have access to internet or a smartphone with apps. So for next topic, I will write to call Rishita. Is it visible?
Yes, it's visible. Now I'm going to discuss about DFD diagram. What is DFD diagram? DFD diagram is graphical representation used to visualize the flow of data within a system. It helps in understanding how data move from input to output through various processes and data stores. So this is the level 0 DFD, where we have three type of user: one user farmer, and second user consumer, third user admin. Here are the consumer and farmer and admin will register in our agri websites, so that data will be stored in the database. And weather information, uh, information from external weather service will going to store in agriculture management system. And market data access information related to market price will be stored in our website. And for the farmer purposes, crop and market price information will be going to store in our website. Next to move slide. Moves next slide.
Is it visible?
No, it is not visible. Now
Now?
it is visible. This is the level
Yes.
0 D. Yes, it is visible. This is level 1 DFD diagram, where user registered login will going to store in user database. And there are in our website we have three user: farmer and consumer and admin. So for the uh, add update crop status, update view crop farmer will be this, all the information will going be stored into the crop database. And create order, place order, update order, this all the consumer related information is stored in order database. And resources related, like water and fertilizer, these all the information will going to store in resources database. And weather related information like forecasting, weather alert for farmer, this will going to store in weather database. And marketing price uh, updates, and this will going to store in market price database. List product view, product update, quality, this all the information from the farmer will be going to store in product database. Move to next slide. uh, what is the data description? In our website we using mongodb. MongoDB database designed for this agriculture website. It's built around the core functionality. There will be help farmer manage their crop, stay informed about weather pattern, prices, and prerequisite related issue by using collection for collection for farmer crop pest weather alert marketing update sms logs and notification. The system ensure that the data is well organized, scalable, easily accessible for both farmer and the backend system. This structure provides a solid foundation for building a responsible effective agriculture platform. So, talking about scalability, relationship, and flexibility, MongoDB is a highly scalable. Uh, so, the system can handle more farmer, crop information, pest issue, and alert. Talking about relationship, MongoDB is a non-SQL database. So, likely a farmer to their crop or pest issue maintain data integrity without requiring complex joins. Talking about flexibility, MongoDB uh, document based structure allow flexibility to store various type of unstructured or semi-structured data such as examples, images, text, and dynamic weather updates. Ability to handle complex unstructured data like crop images, weather data, and pest report combined with MongoDB powerful querying and aggregation capability, ensuring that the website can evolve quickly and efficiently meet the need of farmer. It integration with cloud platform like AWS. Now move to next slide. Move to next slide.
I am already in next slide. ER diagram. Is it visible?
This is ER diagram. Yes, this is ER diagram. ER diagram stands for entity relationship diagram. In our project, we have entities like disease, crop, user, resources, product, order, weather. This all have has a relationship means this disease have many relationship with one. And talking about first user, so user have attributes like username, user id, email, password, user id, created id. User has a relationship with sources, crop, and crop has a relationship with disease, product has a relationship with product, weather has a relationship with user, and order has a relationship user. Now move to next slide. What is use case diagram? Use case diagram is a visual representation of how a user interact with the system. So where we have three user, consumer, farmer, admin. We showing how these all using our system interaction, and we use weather API means we integrate uh, weather alerts and update we present. As a farmer, forgot password, registration, login, track order, and payment, checkout, view product, checkout, manage crops, add crop, manage products, add product, manage resources, add resources record, view weather data. As a admin, can do login, register, forgot password, manage admin panel. As a consumer, can place order. uh, Move to next slide. Now
Now
this
I'm
will going to explain by Nitin Chouhan.
now telling about the data analysis and visualization. Data is a more important part in our website. First, we analyze the crop disease data that's come from the images that's provided by the user and farmer. The images are analyzed by using the machine learning algorithm and provide such essential data for further process. The second data come from the weather analytics website like a government website that provide the data about the weather also, and also the website is also provide the data for weather weather analysis. Okay. Now next, move to the next slide. Yes, the market price analysis. Market price analysis data come from the government website. That is a local mandi rates that's provided by the government. Government come from those website and show in uh, our application. Next, move to the next slide.
Is it visible?
Yes. It is a front end part of our website. It is a home page for the customer okay, uh, for the farmer here we can say that the navigation part where the shortcuts are available and the login button where the user is go to and login in our website. Please move next slide. Yes, this is a front part for the consumer part where we can access the home component, product component, and other component by using the navigation bars. Please move to the next slide. This is a component that provide the market scenario to the farmer. Here, some values is needed for the required result. It provide the current rate running in local mandis in like a table format. So next. Yes, this component is used to show the weather detail for the farmer. So farmer analyze our temperature and the current atmosphere surrounding them, and also provide the notification to the farmer and user which is the best time to grow our market and the weather. So to the next slide. And this component this component is used uh, in consumer
Hang.
can I hear it?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
No. This component is used to show the product to the consumer. This component help to consumer to select a product and select the quantity of the product and place order. Please change slide. Yes, finding crop damage recovery. In this particular features, we find the crops present in the plant and by using the machine learning and provide the name of disease and also providing the suggestion for overcome these crops. Okay, and the weather risk management, we also provide notification that link to some weather configuration analysis programming languages. Those provide the analysis of current weather and uh, also provide the suggestion for the how to improve our uh, crops. ठीक है? And market price incentive market price incentive provide how the current scenario and rate in current market. And the result of solution, the market price tool emphasized farmer to avoid underpricing their crops and to sell them where when market was favorite and increase them frequently. Okay, to move next slide. Applications of our program. First, crop damage reporting and recovery. Our application provide the crop damage reporting and recovery features where the farmer also use these features to increase our growth. Okay, weather risk alert. By using this feature for farmer get a weather report. Take a weather report that also help to increase productivity of the farmer. Market price tracking. This features is also provide the current rate, mandi rate to the farmer, and also provide a current mandi rate. Okay, and resource efficiency optimization.
Yes.
Former performance benchmark. Please move next slide. Conclusion.
Yes.
Our Please move next slide.
Is it
Yes.
visible?
Conclusion. Uh, yes. Conclusion: the AgriWeb is an agriculture website which is developed for using farmer and also consumer. Consumers here the consumer buy the product in efficient manner, and the farmer sell their product, also analyze crop diseases and current rate of the present mandi by decreased by the government and so on. Please next to the next website.
Yes.
Please to next. Yes,
Is it
this
visible?
references. I, yes, references agriculture national portal of India, Times of Agriculture, Department of Agriculture and Welfare, agri farming Krasi Jeevan and Sagar. Please move to the next slide.
It is last slide. Thank,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
हो गया बे